Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make Java and Bedrock crossplay server on Aternos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to software and then you need to go to paper and bucket here and download and install latest version here. Then you need to go to plugins. On search for Geyser, okay? And then you should see Geyser MC. So go ahead and install Geyser MC. Here, you just need to install latest version here and wait until install process is done. Then search for Geyser again and install Geyser Skin Manager as well, latest version of course. Then install Bedrock Player Manager, then install Geyser third-party plugin here. So go ahead and do so. Third-party cosmetics, go ahead and install them both. And then you just need to press start, okay? And make sure the server now is running. And then go to Minecraft, go to multiplayer, copy address, give it a name, then press done, join the server, and also share the basically IP or the server name, server address to your friends, and then you can easily play it. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.